Alright, so here at Jake's Small Engine Garage, we also deal with some vehicle diagnostics, a lot of electrical diagnostics, stuff like that. But we also deal with wives. And the wife said her 2014 GMC Acadia is taking a long time to start, so it's turning over hard and long and that didn't come out right. But it's turning over for a long time before it starts up. It's original battery, original alternator, all that stuff. So I'm going to show you how stupid GMC was and inconvenient. So we're going to pop the hood. We're going to open the hood and we're going to find the battery. Oh, shit. Oh, there's no, that's the fuse box. Where's the damn battery? Oh, I remember. They decided to put it in the most inconvenient spot possible. Let's put it under the floor behind the passenger seat and in front of the seat where probably 99% of your car seats and nasty ass children will eat and throw food all over the place and clothes and lose shoes and just drop everything in the world, spill orange juice. Yeah, I got 3 kids. Don't judge. So, move all this crap out of the way. Pop up the floor mat. And right in there's your battery. Oh, wait. That's not inconvenient enough. Let's put a Torx head screw in there because everybody with an SUV probably has a Torx bit set in their vehicle. I don't know what it is, probably 26 Torx or I don't know, whatever. Anyways, you unscrew that. It's long-winded, son of a bitch, too. Okay, pull that up. Now, oh, wait, we gotta pop this up too. Look at all the fries and stuff in there. I know I'm not the only one with kids like this. Oh, there's the battery. Oh, that was way convenient. That was way better than being under the hood, right? Oh my god. So, we're going to get our trusty multimeter. We're going to put our trusty lead clips on the negative terminal. Okay. Super easy with one hand, right? And we're going to take our positive, put that on. But actually, first thing you want to do is check to make sure they're tight, not corroded lugs. You know, check your fuses just to be safe. Obviously, it wouldn't turn over if the fuses were blown, but check your terminals, make sure they're tight, clean, good working order. Got our leads hooked up. Turn your multimeter to volts. It's on AC. I'm selecting DC. Not all multimeters are like this. Alright, our battery voltage. We got the door open, so the inside light's on. Normally you'd want about 12.5, 12.4 with the engine not running. But with the inside light on, door open, it's probably drawing a little juice. I'll set this up and shut the door. Alright, damn. I'll go shut the door. Look, I just opened the door and it drops below 12. I think we got a bad battery. Yeah, it shouldn't be under 12 at all. So, but as you can see, when I shut the door, there wasn't much change when the light went out. So now, just to be sure, now I know this is the original battery, so obviously it probably is the battery 100%. But say you had a new battery in there and you were losing, you were draining. You could have a parasitic draw. You got a circuit that's drawing current when everything's shut off. That's draining the battery, or you could have a bad alternator too. So let's go start the vehicle, and you'll see when you start the vehicle, if your alternator is good, you should jump up to easily above 14, 14.2, 14.5 volts. Want to get over 14 volts when your vehicle is running. I'll start the vehicle. There we go. All right. As you can see, we got a good alternator. Very good alternator. We are charging very well. Seems charging a little high because the battery's low. Now, also, if you do not have a battery tester or anything, the best way to test your battery is to see how low it drops, the voltage drops as you turn the key. As you start to crank that engine over, see how low the voltage drops. If it drops below 10 volts when you're turning the engine over, then your battery's bad, in my opinion. So let's turn it off and we'll do that. Let it drop back down to its static. Yeah, that's bad battery. Watch. Alright. Now when I start this up, when it starts to crank, watch that voltage and see how low it drops. Here we go. Want to get down to under 10 for sure. Yeah, we got a bad battery. Maybe it'll run for a little while longer, but might as well replace it. Okay, children. So that's how, at least I like to diagnose a battery alternator issue. Hope you learned something today. Even at Jake's Small Engine Garage, we deal with some random crap. So awesome to see that GMC put the battery in the most logical location. And yeah, all right. So now you know. We'll see you next time. Jake's Small Engine Garage. Like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.